Harley just flipped the Sportster game again, and this time, it's not playing safe. The 2026 Nightster is coming in hot, and yeah, this one's got people talking for real. Because this isn't your old-school, rumbling, laid-back cruiser anymore. This thing feels like Harley looked at the next generation and said, all right, let's get aggressive. Right off the bat, the Nightster keeps that low, dark, stripped-down vibe. Minimal bodywork, blacked out everything. That classic silhouette is still there, but sharper, tighter, more modern. It looks fast even when it's parked, and honestly, that's exactly what younger riders have been asking for. Now here's where it gets interesting. Under the tank, or what looks like a tank, you're still getting that liquid-cooled Revolution Max engine. And if Harley sticks to the formula, expect strong, punchy power right off the line. Quick throttle, smooth delivery. This isn't the kind of bike you lazily cruise on. This one wants to move. Rumors are floating around that the 2026 version could get slight tuning upgrades. Nothing officially confirmed yet, but insiders are hinting at better throttle response and possibly a bit more torque in the mid-range. If that's true, yeah, this thing is going to feel even more alive in city riding. And let's be real, that's where this bike shines. Tight streets, quick turns, stoplight to stoplight. The Nightster feels built for that urban chaos. Lightweight compared to traditional Harleys, easy to handle, not intimidating, but still carries that Harley attitude. Now the tech, this is where Harley's been quietly stepping up. You've got a clean digital display, riding modes, traction control, ABS, and depending on the trim, even more rider aids that actually make a difference, especially if you're newer to riding. It's not overloaded with tech, but it gives you just enough to feel modern without losing that raw connection. And yeah, quick pause. If you're into bikes like this, hit that subscribe button and drop a like, because we're breaking down all the latest rides just like this. No boring stuff. Alright, back to it. One thing people always debate is the sound. Because yeah, it's not that classic air-cooled Harley rumble. It's different, more refined. Some riders love it, some don't. But here's the real thing. This bike was never meant to copy the past. It's built for where Harley is going next. And design-wise, Harley's playing it smart. The 2026 Nightster is expected to keep that aggressive stance, but might bring in new color options and subtle styling tweaks. Think darker finishes, maybe some bold accents. Nothing crazy, but enough to keep it fresh. Seat height stays low, riding position is comfortable but slightly forward-leaning. You feel connected to the bike. Not sitting in it, but more like you're part of it. That's a big deal, especially for newer riders or anyone stepping into the Harley world for the first time. Now, let's talk about the real question. Who is this bike for? It's not for someone chasing long highway miles all day. It's not for someone who wants that heavy, old-school cruiser feel. This is for the rider who wants style, speed, and simplicity. Someone who rides through the city, hits back roads, and wants something that feels modern but still carries that Harley DNA. And price? Harley hasn't dropped official numbers yet for the 2026 model, but if it follows the current trend, expect it to stay within reach compared to bigger Harley models. That's part of the strategy. Bring new riders in without scaring them off. But here's the bigger picture. The Nightster isn't just a bike, it's a statement. Harley is clearly targeting a new generation. Riders who grew up with sport bikes, naked bikes, and tech-heavy machines, but still want something with heritage. And honestly, it feels like Harley is finally getting that balance right. So yeah, the 2026 Nightster might not be the loudest or the most powerful bike out there, but it might be one of the smartest moves Harley is making right now. Because it's not trying to be everything. It's trying to be exactly what today's rider wants. So here's the real question. Is this the future of Harley-Davidson, or just another experiment? Drop your thoughts below. Would you ride the new Nightster, or are you sticking with the old school vibe?